I'm in California where it never rains. You and I were fighting and
Hello guys, so today we are going to be looking at the unboxing of these microphones that I have just received from Amazon. So these are not actually very expensive microphones. They are comparatively relatively really cheap, and I thought I would buy this because right now, as you can see, the audio quality is not exceptional, and if I'm going to be doing this regularly, and even for college Zoom meetings or for school Zoom meetings or work conferences, microphones are really necessary, and we find a lot of people buying these. So I thought this review might really help a lot of people who are going to buy those. So without any delay, let's get right into it. So first thing I'm noticing here, the box during shipping has not really took that well. I mean, you can look at it. So anyway, open it. So right here, guys, as you can see, I got this case along with it, which is also actually kind of nice because you can use the case so that you could carry your microphone wherever you take it. And so yeah, you got the microphone, and like I said, there's actually a couple of microphones. So you get two microphones with this product, and they both look about the same. So let's open it and see. So yeah, this is one of those microphones that has come in that little zip back thingy, and that's also in there. There are no instruction points or anything. So clearly, this looks like a really tiny microphone. I'm not entirely sure what its quality is going to be like. And but the thing is, it is really lightweight. I can't even feel it. I'm holding it right now, and I can't even feel it. And so the next thing, okay, this one actually has a seal, which is nice. Alright, so the next thing, the other thing is also about the same. So as you can see, two identical microphones that they are included in this, and maybe one of it is a little bit longer, but I think they are practically the same. So as you can see here, these are called collar microphones. So it actually means you put it on your collar like this, or you'll be putting it on your lapel if you're wearing a jacket. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's for the unboxing. Maybe we could open this up and see what it's like. So yeah, this is the kind of like a silicone thing, and it's a bummer, guys, because it doesn't actually even close. I don't know why they would even include this. And as you can see here, it looks like it's for earpods or AirPods. But yeah, sure, they have included it, and who am I to criticize something that they have included for free? But anyway, we will actually be going through the performance of these things in further videos so that you can actually see whether they are any good before you go out and purchase these. Yeah, thanks for watching. Before we start the audio sample, this is future Adiban here. So right now I'm wearing this microphone here. As you can see, this is microphone, so I'm wearing it well, and so this is just a short, brief review. So like an audio sample, so that you can assess the situation yourself. And as you can see, I'm standing on my terrace here, and this is a particularly windy day that I chose so that I can actually demonstrate what this microphone does. So right off the bat, I will have to mention one thing. This is a 5.5 mm audio jack microphone. So your phone will have to have 3.5 mm. Sorry, I said 5.5 mm. Your phone will have to have 3.5 mm jack, the port, so that this can plug into that. Otherwise, this microphone will be able to be used. And also, when you're plugging in the microphone, in sure that you're not like you have taken off the case, the phone case, because otherwise this may not be plugged in properly, and you might pick up noise for some reason, like an electronic noise. And again, even if you looking to buy a microphone so that you can use it with your laptop, you have to say that I've tried this laptops, Windows as well as Mac, and it does not work with laptops. I don't know why, but laptops have trouble detecting it. So if you're planning on using a laptop, I would suggest you buy a USB microphone condenser and such. It's not really my expertise, but I can tell you that much. And overall, I would say this is for the price that we're paying, 350 rupees for I think two microphones. So that's good. But some of the things that really bug me is that the wire is really short. So I can't really see what is the purpose of this microphone. But I think you could buy extension cables, but again at the same time you could even buy microphones with longer cables. So yeah, this is the farthest I can take the camera with this microphone connector. So you can have an idea. This is about I would say 2.5 feet. You can't take it any further. And what else? So if you're connecting it to your phone while your phone is charging, then it will not work. There will be this buzzing noise, and that's pretty much it. If you have any other particular questions in particular, you can leave it in the comments. I will be leaving a link to this product. It's not free or anything. I'm just going to gain anything. I'm just going to leave a link for your reference. If you think this will be of use to you, then you can buy it. And if you have any doubts before purchasing, please leave it in the comments, and I will surely resolve it for you. Also, before you buy it, I'm leaving a link to a video that I had shot using this microphone. So there were two of us in the room, and there was also a fan constantly running, and dogs barking in the distance. But this microphone did a great job of like an B minus job of what it's supposed to be doing. Again, like I said, the primary con that we faced was that the wire was too short, but it got the job done. So I will be leaving a link to that video in the description so that you can check it, and you can get an idea about the audio quality. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Tech Times. Share it with your friends, and thanks for supporting us.